Condors, giant birds. A very big bird. Condors are huge birds. One wing can be almost as long as a bicycle. Condor homes. These big birds like wide open spaces. They need lots of room to land. Condors fly high to look for food. They can fly for a long time. Condors live in high places. They can dry their wings in the sun after bathing. They can make nests on rocky cliffs and in trees. Time to clean up. Condors can eat all kinds of dead animals. They may eat a small rabbit or a big whale. Condors can eat dead animals without getting sick. What makes a condor bird? All birds have backbone, have feathers, have wings, have a bill, lay eggs, are warm-blooded from the neck up. Some condors have white feathers around their neck. Others are black. Condors do not have feathers on their head. Condors' head can change colors. The color shows how the condors are feeling. Condors grow up. Mother condors lay one egg every 2 years. Both parents take care of the egg. The baby condor comes out of the egg after 2 months. 6 months later, it starts to fly. Condors can live almost as long as a person. There are a few condors today. People watch condors to keep them safe. Big wings in the sky. Condors are special birds. They are some of the largest flying birds in the world.